Few things which I would like to impress upon that from the infrastructure point of view, we look from the great creation of the facility industrial parks with land, water, power, road connectivity or rail connectivity or whatever it is depending upon the location, plus the telecommunication systems. The environmental management has become very important aspect of our industrial park infrastructure. As you know, it was not a very important issue few years ago, but in last few years of late it has become very important, and it gets top priority from the government point of view, from the courts also. Whenever there is issue related to environment versus industry, the environment always outbeats the industry. So that's how it has been, given prominence by the society, by the courts, by the government. While creating the environment, the infrastructure, we make provisions for, of course, the existing parks which have been there. We have 300 odd industrial parks all over the state. There are parks which we started long ago, sometime in 70s, 80s, 90s or so. Similarly, we have another multi-product SEZ in Nellore, that is in Naidupet. That is also we are getting the environmental clearance. Then the entire zone between Kakinada and Visakhapatnam, that is a petrochemical investment region. Even that also, that is a 603 square kilometer area. That also we have put on the environmental study, and that also in the process of getting the clearance. It will take time, but we are trying to get environmental clearance for all the upcoming new industrial parks. In case of the existing parks, as you know, we have been upgrading the facilities, putting some extra environmental checks and processing units there. In fact, in the last 1 year, the APIC has spent about 50 crores only on the environmental management aspects in the industrial park which it is managing. And in coming days, it will be very important for us, because industry, environment and the planning and the zonal regulations, they are very integral parts, and they have to be looked at very closely and in a very integrated manner.